just right, I'll get them both in. So who wins in a situation like this? They're both on the same taxiway.
Take the helicopter.
What's it say on it? What's it say on the top?
In white?
University of Michigan.
Can you check it out for me?
Especially when you're talking about people you're suing.
Oh yeah, suing people too, but just use the normal. You're just normal people. You don't have to change your phone.
Oh, there goes the proprietor of glass.
So he's actually coming in.
Looks like.
That was probably.
Oh, he's so cool.
That one has his, the cost.
Yeah?
But I think whoever's in it has got people out here.